Hi, good morning to all. So here today matrices continuation. Okay, right. So here today problems. Okay, today problem first question. So here in this question, so here show that the matrix. Okay, show that the matrix A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix condition. Here A is a symmetric matrix. Here A dash is equal to A transpose is equal to A. Okay, A transpose is equal to A. Okay, A is a symmetric matrix. Next is here second question, show that the matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, A transpose is equal to minus A. Here this condition satisfied. So here A matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, first condition satisfied. A matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix means A dash is equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix, A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, check these two conditions. Right. So here in this first question here. In this first question, show that the matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, so first here, see first one. So let A is equal to given matrix, A is equal to this matrix. Okay, A is equal to, so symmetric matrix. First we calculate A dash. Okay, A dash. So here A dash is equal to, so A dash means interchanging rows and columns. Okay, interchanging rows and columns. So here first row, write first column. Next is second row, write second column. Next third row, write third column. Okay, interchanging rows into columns here. Interchanging rows into columns. Okay, right? Here 1 minus 1 5. Okay, 1 minus 1 5. Next minus 1 2 1. Okay, here this is A. Okay, A dash is equal to same here A dash. Okay, A dash. A dash means interchanging rows into columns. Here first row, this is the first row. Here first row. Okay, next many. Here second row, second column. Next third row, here third column. Okay, see here third row, third column, same. So here in this matrix is same, A matrix coming. See here A matrix coming, no change. See here all elements are same. Okay, see here all elements are same. So here that is equal to A. So here A dash is equal to A. See here A dash is equal to A. Okay, A dash is equal to A. This condition is satisfied here. So here, therefore the A dash is equal to A. Therefore the matrix A is symmetric matrix. Okay, the matrix A is symmetric matrix. See here condition here, A dash is equal to A. This condition is satisfied here. A dash is equal to A. Okay, A is a symmetric matrix. Next second one, show that the matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, see here. So first given matrix A. So here A dash is equal to, A dash means whole dash. Okay, here whole dash. Okay, A dash. Okay, A dash means interchanging rows into columns. Interchanging rows into columns. See here first row, write first column. Next second row, write second column. Next third row, write third column. Okay, interchanging rows into columns. See here, this is A dash. Okay, right? Right. See here in this data here. See here in this matrix here, minus is common here. See here minus is common here. Okay, minus is common. So here 0 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 matrix coming. Okay. So here this matrix is A. So here minus A. Okay, minus A coming. Okay, so here A dash is equal to A. A dash is equal to A. Therefore the matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. The matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so here first we calculate A dash. Okay, A dash. A dash is equal to A coming. A is symmetric matrix. Next A dash is equal to minus A coming. A dash is equal to minus A coming. A is skew symmetric matrix. In this type all problems are same. Okay, no change. Okay, write this question. Write this question. Okay, see here in this next problem. See here in this next question here. See here for the matrix A, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Okay, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means A dash is equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix is A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, right. See here. First here in this data A plus A dash. Okay, first write. See here given matrix A is equal to this matrix. Okay, A matrix. That time like A dash is equal to, here this is transpose. Okay, A transpose. A transpose means interchanging rows into columns. Here first row, write first column. Next second row, write second column. This is A dash. Okay, this is A dash. Okay, A dash. Right, first here say a plus a dash. Okay, a plus a dash, right? A plus a dash. Okay, a plus a dash is equal to a matrix is this one plus a dash is this matrix. Okay, a dash here, a dash is this matrix. Okay, see here sum adding two matrices here corresponding is 1 plus 1 2, next 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 7 14. Okay, see here a plus a dash is this matrix. See here in this problem a plus a dash is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means next we calculate the whole transpose. See here, so here a plus a dash whole dash. Okay, here we calculate a plus a dash whole dash. Okay, whole dash is equal to, see here a plus a dash. Okay, a plus a dash, a plus a dash is this matrix. Okay, so whole dash. Okay, right, whole dash means transpose. See here transpose of the matrix is first row, right, first column, next second row, right, second column. Okay, alright, check here a matrix. See here, so this matrix is a plus a dash coming. See here a plus a dash matrix, a plus a dash. Okay, a plus a dash. See here a plus a dash. See here a plus a dash. Okay, a plus a dash. Okay, a plus a dash. Here a plus a dash whole dash is equal to a plus a dash. This formula satisfied here. See this formula. See this formula a dash is equal to a. If this condition satisfied, here a is symmetric. Okay, a is symmetric. A is symmetric. This is the formula. Okay, see here a plus a dash whole dash is equal to a plus a dash. Okay, this condition satisfied here. So therefore here hence a plus a dash is symmetric matrix. Here a plus a dash whole dash is equal to a plus a dash. Okay, see here a dash, this total value a dash is equal to a. Okay, hence this matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, next second one same. See in the second one is a minus a dash. Here a minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is, see here skew symmetric matrix is here a dash is equal to minus a. Okay, if and only if here a is skew symmetric. A is skew symmetric. A is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, a dash is equal to minus a. Alright, see here first here a minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. Here first we calculate a minus a dash. See here a minus a dash is equal to a matrix is this matrix minus a dash is this matrix. Okay, right, this matrix. Okay, here subtractions. Here 1 minus 1 0, next 5 minus 6 minus 1, next 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 7 0. Okay, this is a minus a dash, this is a minus a dash. Okay, next we calculate a whole transpose. See here a minus a dash whole dash. Here a minus a dash whole dash is equal to a minus a dash is this matrix. Okay, whole dash means transpose. See here transpose means interchanging rows into columns. Here first row right first column, next second row right second column. Okay, now next minus is common. Okay, here minus also common, minus common. Okay, so that is equal to this total value minus here this matrix is here, this matrix is see here a minus a dash. Okay, this matrix is a minus a dash. Okay, right here that is equal to minus a minus a dash. Okay, a minus a dash. Okay, a minus a dash. Okay, a minus a dash. See here a minus a dash. Okay, a minus a, this is minus, don't write plus. Okay, this is minus. A minus a dash is equal to minus of a minus a dash. Okay, minus of a minus a dash. Hence the matrix a minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, only just a formula. See here a dash is equal to a, that implies a is symmetric matrix. A dash is equal to minus a, that implies a is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this is the formula only. Okay, in this type of problems apply that formula. Okay, write this question. Okay, right, next to share in this next problem. Say next problem, express the following matrices as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Here express the following matrix. Okay, following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So this matrix. Okay, this is 3 marks question. in final exam asking in this model 1 question, okay, 3 marks question. Only in the chapter coming 3 marks question, 1 question, that question asking this type of question. Alright, so here first right here, first here in this given matrix, A is equal to this matrix, okay. Symmetric matrix formula, so here in the symmetric matrix formula, so here symmetric matrix formula, A plus A dash, okay, A plus A dash by 2 is symmetric matrix, okay, symmetric is symmetric matrix, okay. Next remaining formula, here A minus A dash, okay, A minus A dash by 2 is skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric, okay, skew symmetric matrix, okay, A minus A dash by 2, alright. So here first given matrix, this matrix, okay, given matrix is this matrix. So here therefore first we calculate this one, okay, A plus A dash by 2. See here, so therefore A is equal to here 1 by 2 into A plus A dash, okay. Here see here A matrix, okay, see here A matrix, see here matrices as the sum of a symmetrical, sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix here. So therefore A is equal to this matrix, A is equal to sum of a symmetric matrix is A plus A dash by 2, okay, plus skew symmetric matrix is A minus A dash by 2, okay. See here this matrix can be written as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, okay, sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So first take this one, this matrix is P, okay, P is equal to this matrix first, and this matrix is Q, okay. See here P is symmetric, Q is skew symmetric, formulas these two are, okay. Alright, see here first we calculate here, this is P, okay, this is P, alright, right here P is equal to 1 by 2, A plus A dash is equal to 1 by 2 into A matrix is this matrix, okay, plus A dash means interchanging rows into columns, see here interchanging rows into columns, first row write first column, next second row write second column, so this is A plus A dash, so that is 1 by 2 into, see here adding corresponding elements here 3 plus 3, 6, next 5 plus 1 is 6, next 1 plus 5 is 6, next minus 1 is minus 2, okay. And next here multiply 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 3, 6 by 3, 6 by 2, 3, next 6 by 2, 3, next minus 2 by 2, minus 1, okay. This is P, this matrix is P, okay. Next we calculate P dash, okay, P dash, see here P dash is equal to, this is P, okay, P dash, so that is dash, okay, P dash means transpose of the matrix, right, interchanging rows into columns here, first row, this is second row, okay, same matrix here, this matrix is P matrix coming, here this is the P matrix, okay, P matrix, this is the P matrix, okay, P matrix, here same matrix coming P, so therefore P dash is equal to P, okay, P dash is equal to P dash is equal to P, so P is a symmetric matrix, okay, P is symmetric matrix, okay, P is symmetric matrix. So here A dash is equal to, A dash is equal to A, this condition is satisfied, so if and only A is symmetric, okay, A is symmetric, okay. Next remaining second formula, see here A dash is equal to, here minus A, if and only here A is skew symmetric matrix, A is skew symmetric matrix, okay, A is skew symmetric matrix, right. So here P dash is equal to P, okay, so therefore P is symmetric matrix, this condition is satisfied. Next see here Q, take a Q here, Q is equal to 1 by 2 into A minus A dash, okay, 1 by 2 into A minus A dash is equal to 1 by 2 into A matrix is this matrix, minus A dash is interchanging rows into columns, so first row, first column, second row, next second column, okay, right. Next 1 by 2, see here subtraction here, 3 minus 3, 0, next 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 5, minus 4, next minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, 0, okay. Next here multiply 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 into 4, 2 to get cancelled 2 times, okay. Next 1 by 2 into minus 4, 2 to get cancelled minus 2, 1 by 2 into 0, 0, okay. So this is Q, see here this is Q, this matrix. Next we calculate Q dash, here Q dash is equal to, Q dash means this matrix is Q dash, okay. Q dash means transpose, see here in this transpose interchanging first row and first column, see here right here first row, this is first column, second row, this is second column. Okay, this matrix coming. All right, Q matrix is this one. Okay, not same here. Okay, not same. So here in this matrix minus common, here minus is common, minus common 0, here minus is common 2, here minus common another minus. Okay, next remaining 0. Right here, see here, compare this one, this total matrix is Q. Okay, this matrix is Q. So here minus Q. Okay, so here see here, Q dash is equal to minus Q, Q dash is equal to minus Q. So therefore Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, A dash is equal to minus A is skew symmetric matrix. So here Q dash is equal to minus Q. So here therefore Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, right? So therefore A is equal to, okay, A is equal to this total value P plus this value is Q. Okay, see here, a matrix A can be written as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. P is symmetric, Q is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this problem 3 marks question. You also today one more time 3-4 times practice. Okay, step by step. Easy problem. Symmetric matrix is 1/2 into A plus A dash. Skew symmetric matrix is 1/2 into A minus A dash. Okay, this is the formula. This value P, this value Q. Finish. Okay, write this question. Okay, right? Right. See here in this next problem. In this next question, see here in this objective problems. Okay, objective. Your exercise last objective problems. See here. So A is equal to, then A plus A dash is equal to I if the value of alpha is, okay, see here, A plus A dash is equal to I. Okay, A plus A dash is equal to I. So here the value of alpha is, okay, see in this objective problem, given data A plus A dash is equal to I. Here I is the identity matrix. Okay, right, first A matrix is given matrix plus A dash is equal to interchanging rows into columns. See here A dash, here this is first row, right, first column. Next this is second row, right, second column. See here A plus A dash, okay, is equal to I is the unit matrix. Okay, here order 2, take 2/2 unit matrix. Okay, 1 0 0 1. Here order 3, take third order unit matrix. Okay, here order 2, take 2/2 identity matrix, 1 0 0 1. Okay, see here A plus A dash is equal to I, A matrix plus A dash, okay, is equal to I. See here, adding corresponding elements here, sum of 2 matrices, adding corresponding elements here, cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha, minus sin alpha plus sin alpha, get cancelled, 0. Next here, sin alpha minus sin alpha, plus minus 0, cos alpha plus cos alpha, cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha, okay, 2 cos alpha is equal to this matrix. Here these two matrices are equal, equating the corresponding elements. Here corresponding elements here 2 cos alpha is equal to here 1 here. Okay, 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. So here cos alpha is equal to 2 cross multiply, cos alpha is equal to 1/2. Okay, cos alpha is equal to 1/2. 1/2 means in terms of cos, so that is equal here cos of pi by, here cos of pi by 3, cos 60. Okay, cos 60. See here, remove cos on both sides, alpha value, alpha is equal to pi by 3. Alpha is equal to pi by 3. Okay, alpha value pi by 3. Check answer here. Alpha value pi by 3. So B option, right option. Okay, simple. You also practice one time all problems. Okay, don't take tension. Easy problems. Okay, one more time in revision offline also. Okay, don't take tension. Any doubt coming, one more time see these videos. Okay, one number of times practice, only just practice, main practicing. Okay, not practice, not coming problem answers. Okay, all students daily practice 3-4 times important questions. Okay, general problems 1-2 times. Okay, write this question, easy problems. Okay, right, see here another question, objective, one more question. Okay, no question. Okay, one question only. Okay, right. Okay, today class finish. Okay, today one more time you also practice. Okay, sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, that question 3 marks question. You also practice 3-4 times. Okay. Right, today class finish. Okay, next continuation next class.